everyone, what's up? Welcome on section 51. This is DozGeek on YouTube. Welcome to you. Thank you for watching this new video. Thank you for supporting our channel every day, every time we publish a new video. Thank you for your likes, for your kind comments. Thank you for following, for simply following our channel and all our works. Thank you again. So today I propose you to talk about these famous UFO sightings, these famous UFO lights seen in June 2020 in Idaho in the United States. So this is very strange. This is a video that made the buzz on social networks, on the internet, on YouTube, where we can see some light spots in the sky, and they are moving. Sometimes they appear, sometimes they disappear, they are flickering. That's very strange, and sincerely I don't know what to think about this. I want to know, and I want some answers, and I believe that you are like me, you want to know. And also I know some people who systematically call that kind of UFO videos, they call that fake. Ah, this is fake, stop watching this. No, we are not saying this on section 51. We need some moments, we need some time to think, to analyze the pictures, and just to realize if this is real or not. You cannot say in few minutes or in few days if that kind of videos, that kind of events is totally fake or not. So I'm convinced that we can only have a good opinion about all this with very neutral emotions and very neutral way of thinking, very objective. We have to try to stop reacting with emotions like a lot of anti-hoaxers would used to do. Okay, so guys, now let me invite you to go on the internet and to discover together this new subject, the subject of the UFO formation in Idaho right now. Okay, so that was very difficult to me to find some pictures and some text on the subject. I don't know why, because when the video appeared on internet last week, it made the buzz very quickly. Everyone was talking about this, everyone was sharing the video and the pictures. And now, 1 week or 10 days later, it's difficult, very difficult to find some very objective and interesting article on the subject. So we are on a website called KSG.com. I guess this is a website located in Idaho, so I guess this is about local news. And this website published an article on the famous UFO formation near Pocatello, written by Greg Janetta. A new video is making the rounds on various social media sites that shows what appears to be a pattern of unidentified lights hovering above a rural area of southeast Idaho. The footage went live on Monday afternoon on a website that features unexplained phenomenon. So it was on the evening of June the 1st of 2020. She stuck her smartphone in my face and I was immediately intrigued with. She found the footage on the Facebook page of a site called Ancient Files. Let's go and see, which had begun streaming it as live. And when we go on the Facebook page, the content doesn't exist anymore. So there is a lot of possibilities, a lot of options. Either the video content was deleted, was removed because of some copyright rights, or either it was removed because it was violating the rules of Facebook. I don't really know. So since the video has gained thousands of views, the 7 objects appear to slowly move around but not cross into the passes of others. The lights on the reported objects also fade and relight repeatedly. The publisher of the content identified Pocatello, Idaho, as being the site where the phenomenon was filmed, which has not been verified. There is a lot of things which can't be verified in this video. So let's watch some extract, some sample of this video, and you can see the lights. As I also saw the lights the first time on Facebook, and this is very strange. I have only driven in the city of Pocatello on 1 or 2 occasions and have not ventured outside the area. So I am not familiar with the spot of the footage was allegedly filmed. It leaves me wondering if more people in the area captured footage of the lights, as daytime sightings of unexplained aircraft are not very common. Idaho has had a large number of such sightings in the past couple of years. Last year, there were close to 100 cases reported to various research sites. That's a very big number. Nearly 100 UFO sightings reported over Idaho in 2019. The truth is out there. Luckily, I didn't hear about all of them, just the 7 that happened over Twin Falls and a few of the other more prominent reports from around the state. In all, there were 97 UFOs seen over Idaho in 2019. The majority of those, 40 of them, were seen 40 of 100, this is not the majority, were seen around the Boise area according to the National UFO Reporting Center website. I think the most exciting of the strange lights in the sky was from just last month when there were strange lines of lights across the sky. Some thought they could be alien ships, and others think they are the lights from the SpaceX Corporation's Starlink satellites. That's what I read in some anti-hoaxers or debunkers comments. They were saying it was of course some satellites, Starlink or SpaceX satellites. If it was lights from Starlink, then you'll be seeing more, as they just sent up 60 more satellites on January the 6th of 2020. Either way, that was a cool sight. Since the reporting center began tracking reports of UFO sightings, there have been over 1,000 sightings. These UFO sightings have increased over the years from just a few per year to the nearly 100 from last year. Are the aliens getting more brave, or is it just easier to report them now? I think this is just easier to report them now because today there are more and more people who have smartphones and who can film correct videos in HD or 4K and without moving a bit, without checking the smartphone, okay? If the thought of aliens visiting us scares you, or the unknown aspects of a UFO unnerve you, you may find this comforting. We are a week into the new year and there hasn't been a reported sighting since December 19 of 2019. That one lasted 15 minutes and was seen over Jerome. The most current YouTube video of an Idaho UFO comes from mid-December over Bull. And this article was written when was it written? On January the 7th of 2020. What is this video? Where is the UFO? This is the light. Yeah.
Párate, güey, ahí está, párate. No mames, ya se fue. No mames. ¿Sí lo grabaste bien? Sí, acá está ahora, mire. Apareció acá, mira, ve. Mira, ya se apareció. Ahí está otra vez, mira. Mira, otro, mira, güey, apareció otro, mira.
That's
mira,
very cool
mira,
video.
Otro, mira, ve, apareció, mira, ve.
This cannot be manipulated. This is not a manipulated video. What is this light? Because you can see this, it's shaking with the camera moves. So very strange. And the man can't stop laughing. And we are on the website 983thesnake.com. So let's get back to the website kzg.com. What do you think of this? For me, personally, I think that this is not a manipulated video. This is authentic. This is real, because the camera shakes, the move and the moves of the lights are very difficult to make like this way. The changing of the formations, the UFO formation, is very strange too. And we can also say that the lights are not moving to the ground, they are not falling to the ground, so it can't be pieces of satellites burning in the atmosphere and crashing down on the Earth. This can't be little meteorites going to crash on Earth. They are standing still in the sky and floating here over the landscape. Some are disappearing, some others appear immediately, and the formation is changing from time to time. That's very strange. I don't agree with the hypothesis of that could be some Starlink satellites, because you know that SpaceX just sent a big series of satellites, of Starlink satellites, in order to settle, to cover all the Earth with 5G. And this is all this deals with 5G satellites, but sincerely I don't think that this can be satellites. And the other hypothesis advanced by debunkers or anti-hoaxers who are saying that they were claiming to be the real ufologists, the real researchers, they say in that last hypothesis that it could be some light flares, some flares sent or launched by military airplanes, like we ever talked in previous videos. But once again, I don't think this is very plausible, and I don't think that we can hold this last hypothesis, because you can see in the video that these lights are not falling to the ground, and if there were flares, they automatically and systematically fall to the ground. This is not the case here. So I am very intrigued with myself too by watching this video. I don't really think what to think about all this. And you, what do you think of this? Is it real? Is it about real aliens? What could be all these lights in the sky? What were they doing in the sky of Idaho on June 2020? This is the question. What is their mission? What is their objective? Did they want to communicate with us if they are aliens? And if they are not aliens, what could it be? What could be these UFO lights? Very, very strange. Okay, thank you guys, thank you to all of you, thank you for watching this new video. As you can see, the mystery remains unexplained. Maybe in the future we can find some part of answers to that mystery. Please leave me comments, leave me your reactions, leave me your opinion or your way of thinking or your deductions, your hypotheses, your theories about this UFO event happened in Idaho. This is a very current, this actual event, very recent. It was just happening now on June, and at the beginning of June of 2020, so this is very fresh, okay? So I want to know your reactions right now. As always, I will wish you live long and prosper on section 51. Keep your eyes open and keep watching at the sky. You don't know, maybe someday you will see something strange in the sky. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, for sharing and subscribing to section 51. This was DozGeek on section 51, and now this is the end. Bye bye, see you next time for a new video on section 51. Bye, big kisses.